Hey there, thanks for installing our app, Real Estate Listings. In this video, I will show you how to install and use the app and add your own listings. First, let me show you the app real quick. We have all the listings here, the name, the location, the pricing, which depends on whether you have monthly rent or one-time pricing. It automatically adapts to that. Some important information and the pages. Then you go to the view listing and it will take you to the listing page. You have the breadcrumbs, then the price and everything, all the features, the gallery, you have some location, important buttons, etc., and the feature listing as well. The entire app, the listings are optimized for the SEO, so you can easily rank on the search engines. In the filters, you have a lot of options, so all you have to do is just set a range, for example, here, and it will show you the current listing. You can also set the rent, the lot size, and the area of the listings. You can also reset the filter. We have some sort by options. You have the location filter, and you have the property type right here. So there are a lot of options to find the optimal listings for your visitors. Then we have some advanced filters like the number of bedrooms. You can change them, the number of total rooms, the bathroom, the garage, etc. Um, I have also added the year built and the occupancy. Then some property features based filters right here. So you can select all the options and it will give you only the properties with the selected features. You can go to all the features here. We have property features, location features, listing features, community features, and the modern features. So all the advanced listings, you can add them right here. Now let me show you how to install and use the app. You can use the app on either Vix Studio or the Classic Editor. It works well on both editors. First off, go to the app market, select for Advanced Real Estate Listing, Add to Site, and Agree and Add. One of the best things about this app is that it is optimized for the SEO, including the AI search. The second cool thing is that when you install the app, it automatically adapts to your website theme. So you can see that all the colors here and the fonts are automatically synchronized to the default site and the typography. So you don't have to worry about the design at all. And it is responsive by design. In the free plan, you can add up to 4 or 5 listings and 3 to 4 featured listings as well. This is to let you test the app. Now, the first thing you need to do after installing the app is select the widget, go to the listing settings, and here you can change the currency. So you can see the change in currency automatically. The same thing goes for the listing item page. Go to the item settings and select the currency right here. Another cool thing about this app is that the design elements use the Wix design system. So you can edit everything inside the editor. For example, let's say you want to add a corner, you can do that right here. Right, so you have 20 pixel corner. The same goes for the fonts. You can change the fonts, for example. okay, and everything else. The same goes for all elements here. You can change everything. For example, you can change the design of your map like this. Right, so everything here is editable. These three buttons are optional. I have added them just in case if you need, let's say, a light box or a custom forms or anything else, you can use it right here. And if you don't need any element, like let's say you want to remove these buttons, you can just select them and delete it like this. All right. Deleting the element does not mean it just disappears. You can always add them from here, right? If you want to add it, just click on add and it appears again. So for instance, let's say you don't want any of the button, just delete the container. All right. You can also do the same for all the elements. Like let's say you want to change the design of this text, you can always do that. Now let me show you how to add the listing. To add the listing, you have to go to the CMS, go to your collections, and right here you have the real estate listings. You can add all your listings right here. So just click on add item, open, and just fill in the details right here. All the descriptions. The important element here is the slug. Make sure that all the element slugs of your listings are different. So as you can see, we have all the slugs here unique. All right, so make sure that all the slugs of your listings are unique. But yeah, you can just add the item, open it, and just add all the elements right here. It's very easy. The filters automatically synchronize to whatever you fill right here. The SEO details are right here. So you have your SEO title, SEO description, SEO keywords, and the images. The reference properties are important. These are the related properties which will be visible at the bottom of your item listings. This is good for your SEO as well. So if you have any related property, you can select them right here. At the bottom of the item page, we also have a form, and all the data of the form, you can either access it from your collection. So these are the property inquiry. If anyone fills up the form, you can find the information right here. You have the title, the name, the email, phone number, message, the time at which the user has sent the message, the property ID, and the property title to recognize on which property page the user has sent the message. I have also added a dashboard page. So if you go to the dashboard, go to go to the go to the apps, and right here you have the advanced real estate listings. Right here you will find all your messages. So if anyone submits any form, let me show you real quick. Let's go to the real estate listings page, publish the website. Okay, so let's say the user is on this page, and let's fill up the demo form. And click on send, go back here. So right here you can find the message and everything. You can also find it in your CMS collection. Open the open the property inquiry, and right here you have all the information, including the property title. So you can find out on which property the user has sent the message. So yeah, this is how you can use the app. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me at any time. I will make sure to help you set up the app or fix any problem you're having. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you find the app helpful. Thanks for watching.